Hey guys, I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a while. In my Xbox room. Yeah. Well, just got a new TV for this room, which is amazing. Had this TV for like 13 years and just got a new one. But that's not what this video is about. This is the coolest alarm clock you'll ever see. I've set it to go off in about a minute. Get a better angle. And yeah, well, let's wait for it to go. So yeah, that's basically what it does. And the alarm clock doesn't shut off until you put the little helicopter into the... Oh. Yeah. And if you don't feel like doing that, you can just press this button. And it flies. Good times.